Vlog for today for the first snowstorm here in what's it called?
What, Rhinebeck?
Rhinebeck. So first snowstorm, staying at work, you know. Adam, stop trying to work, little bro.
Gucci gang.
Here we're having a snowstorm. We all work tomorrow, so we're getting to stay at the hotel in order to be able to work because we're going to be snowed in. So I just want to show you guys a tour of this hotel because it's a pretty expensive one. Come in and it's pretty dang beautiful. So you come in, there's like a tiny little desk area we have here. Beautiful. And then we have like a little sitting area by the fireplace. Every single room in this inn has a fireplace. A gigantic TV. We have a little kind of bar slash service table up here and the balcony. And then this just amazing bed. Like, wow. And then we're led into the restroom area. We have just a closet in here with some robes. The bathtub, because, wow, luxury. And then there's the shower and the, you know, regular restroom stuff. It looks absolutely beautiful. I actually hadn't gotten a chance to see it all finished. I saw it when they were building it and like putting stuff in, but I hadn't gotten to see it like built. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty amazing. I 100% recommend it. I have just like this little private area for the toilet as well, which, wow, this is legit. Good old Mirbeau. And then here's the view, which is so cool. Out into the very, very snowy town. My car's down there, can we see it? That bright blue. Yep, that's me. All right, well, that's the first part of today's vlog. Hey, Adam, checkmate.
Okay, God bless. Not me. I ate on the line and threw mine away. The dishwasher? No. I started. Okay.
It's my first snow. My first snowstorm. I'm gonna slip and fall. Oh my god, this is legit the best thing ever. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna throw it at you.
If you do it, I'm dropping the phone. It's not even packable snow, you genius.
I don't know.
No, it's not going to be better over there. It's fluffy snow.
It is fluffy snow.
It won't do shit for a snowball.
I'll still like.
God, you're just making it snow again.
Okay, ready? Ready? It's gonna be like super cute.
Whose child is this? Whose child?
This is so exciting. Okay, it's gonna be like this the first couple of times and then it's just gonna keep happening and then I'm gonna get like all the New York people and hate snow. So I gotta enjoy the time I enjoy snow right now, okay? Okay?
Yeah, it's pretty. Isn't that fucking song, man? It's my favorite song.
Guys, look at all the snow. It's just so exciting. It's too beautiful. I am in love with snow. I love snow until I hate it. I'm gonna love it until I hate it. Love it, love it, love it. The explanation of the next clip is that I did my hair last night. I cut it and I re-dyed it, and this is me showing it to Instagram, so that's why this clip has no sound. Well, that's what happens after a snowstorm. Another day, another adventure. So today I am on my way to LGA, which is the airport in I think Queens, or yeah, I think Queens, to pick up my best friend from well, yeah, what I just said, the airport. Wow, I'm so stupid. But yeah, so I'm driving down the highway and it's really snowy and I needed to show you guys. Because I have yet to show you guys enough snow because clearly I haven't shown how much I love snow. Also, I had to do like the whole plowing thing with like the shovel and like getting all the snow off my car. There was like a foot, like no, there was legit more than a foot of snow outside. Like my entire leg went up almost up to my knee. Like a lot of snow. It was a huge first snowstorm. So, well, guess I gotta prepare myself. Days like these. Days like these. What a skyline, right? This morning my car was buried in snow, and now it's such a sunny, bright, beautiful day. I've been like sitting at this like non-parking zone for so long at this point, but he was supposed to land a while ago, and then he's taking a little longer, and like now I'm gonna get towed if I don't move quickly, but I'm just gonna risk it and wait and hope that he gets out. Guys, me and my bestie are out here in Central Park because we decided to just go out and like have an adventure. Say hi to the vlog.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Say hi to your cousin. Say hi to your cousin.
Oh yeah. Hey Ananya, how's it going?
Yeah, and then you can send it to her. There's your cousin, Vamsi. There you go. Oh, you should do one with her name.
That's what I'm about to
Do one with her name. That'd be so nice. Okay.
You're not gonna put your name?
Nah. My name's too cool to be on a bench.
I mean, it's too long.
Yeah.
You don't like stuff like that?
Cool. I do. Y'all, we made impulsive decisions and got a hotel so we wouldn't have to go back tonight and drive in the snow or anything like that. But typical hotel room in New York City is the size of a closet. A closet. Excuse the mess, but like this thing is like a 12 by 12, like this is it. This is everything. This is the room. There's like a bathroom that size. Like, wow. These people make so much money. But yeah, we're about to go out. We're getting ready and then we're gonna go out. Well, I'm not changing. I didn't bring any clothes because I wasn't planning on staying in New York City, but whatever. Typical New York City night. We actually just left our Uber because they were taking too damn long, so now we're walking. What do you say?
Oh, what's up? Who's talking? Who's there?
It's a video, Momsy.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah,
Please
you know.
like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, whatever. That's what you all always say. Like, I don't even say that. But like and subscribe. Okay. So we are coming up to this wall of something. Can't see it. Wow. Wow, that is insane. Dude. It's a castle. Our view at this Beauty and Saks Fifth Avenue. Wow. It is all Elsa themed. Frozen 2. And like all the things are in the window. We just got into some like random, like, I don't know, like it's being recorded on TV. Like, wait at this.
Everywhere?
Yeah, cameras everywhere. What the hell is this? And how did we get in? This is so cool. Oh my god. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
What'd you get? You got me in there?
You having fun? So we are in bar 65 at the Rainbow Room, overlooking the city. Hey guys, another clip of this week's vlog. I am back in town. It is beautiful. It wasn't this snowy in New York except in Central Park, but it is still this snowy back here. But luckily I didn't have to plow or anything this morning, so that's great. So yeah, I'm on my way to school. I'm going to talk to my counselor about some switches I'm going to do into an Italian concentration because I am going back to Italy ASAP.